James here. Today we're taking a look at a keyboard from RisoPhy. This is their 10 keyless keyboard, guys. This is a model number PC367A. Yes, that is a mouthful. Let's just say, it is a wired 10less key style or TKL style mechanical keyboard with linear red switches and a full aluminum frame, guys. Yes, you heard that right. Full aluminum frame with red switches. Now, these red switches are linear, so they should be kind of silent, which we'll kind of show you guys that in a minute. Now, there is a full RGB LED backlit with a whisper silent keys and anti-ghosting on 80% of this keyboard, which is really, really nice to have. Now, this is compatible with pretty much anything and everything, including your Xboxes, your PCs, your Macs, and this is your keyboard. Yes, I said it is a wired version. Of course, you don't see no wire on it right now, but we'll show you guys that as we go. So you have this nice little keyboard. Very down on the back, it does have this little flame logo design. Now, to change the colorations, you will use the function key plus 1 through 8, or you use function 9, and function 9 should allow a whole bunch of other stuff to happen, including the preset colorations. Now, it's a small keyboard. Look at that. Look how small this is. Look how thin this is. Now, me just tapping this, it's got a nice response feedback to this. I actually like that. Now I'm gonna sit down for a second. Feels good. I actually like this. Now you do have the nice little footprints. These are rubberized. You have the rubber down to keep on the nice and soft. So right here is where you'll plug it in. Now it is a USB-C style cord. They do give you a nice USB-C to USB-A style cord for this keyboard. Should be plenty enough length. They also give you a keycap puller, and that is so you can pull off the keycaps just like that. I'll show you. And there is your linear red switch. So very easy to do. Now, of course, I pulled that off without a keycap puller. That's because I knew that it could come off because it's such a large key to not worry about it. If you want to use the keycap puller, guys, go in here, connect up to the key, pull the key off just like that, and good to go. This gives you a nice little ease of cleaning if you want, but look at the low profile on that, guys. Now, the linear switch is nice right there, and that's where you'll see this, and if you press it, it is very silent. The spring is nice and quiet. Honestly, guys, if you have a problem with these keys, I'm sure you can pull the keys out itself and replace them as you go. Now, but what happens when we plug it in and start doing stuff? Well, let's plug it in and show you guys some of the lighting colorations and all of that. It's a so far very impressed. Nice looking keyboard, guys. I'm not hating it. The feedback of the keys feel very, very decent. So now I'm going to plug this in just like this. And we have one lighting effect already on there, just like that, guys. Now, like I said, function 1 through this will actually change lighting, but it actually, let's be honest, it popped up other pages throughout this thing. So we're going to try and do some other stuff like function, I believe, 9. And let's make sure. Function 9 should actually change colorations and patterns, but it is actually not doing that properly. So maybe I'm doing so. Oh, okay, here we go. Aha! We got this. We got this, guys. So you see that it actually shut the lighting off. Now, if I hit that function back up, it'll turn lighting on. I change patterns. We can adjust brightness by doing this with the function keys. Very cool. So now here is your function keys. So function L1 will actually do WASD. You guys see that, right? Function 2 will light up more sections of keys. Function 3 will change another pattern of lighting effects. Function 4, 5. This all changes stuff. So everything works very well. And actually I have media keys working up here. So L7s, L8s, and stuff like that. I like this. This is a nice keyboard. And let's see here. We have ohm. Oh, hey, we found more keys that work over here. Pop it up, change it around. Very easy, very simple, guys. Nice little 10 keyless style And if you guys don't know what 10 keyless means, it means it's missing the number pad on the side. You still have your numbers right here, so you don't really need it. If you guys need a 10 keyless keyboard, maybe this is the one for you. Thanks for checking this video out, and I hope you have a great one.